As a jewelry designer and maker, I'm always looking for ways to make my jewelry more unique, more mine, more personal. One of the things I've learned to do over the years is to make my own cord. And to that end, I've been collecting all sorts of fiber. I've got linen from Lithuania, I've got linen cord that I've dyed with indigo, I've got all kinds of nylon cord, silk cord, you name it. I've just got buckets full of cord. Okay, so it's kind of an obsession, but there are worse things. My favorite fiber to use is silk, and my favorite of the favorites is this brand that's Gudebrod, I think is how it's pronounced, silk that's not made anymore, but you can still find it on Etsy and on eBay. I also will ply it with nylon, that's the Nymo beading cord, and that will add some strength, and have put the spools on this nail to make it a little bit easier to maneuver. The tools to ply cord are very minimal. One thing is a good pair of wicked sharp scissors and some super heavy duty clamps that really make life much simpler. And the other thing, my secret, is using a Dremel. And this is not my favorite Dremel, but it's all that I can get now. I did add this chuck to it that makes it adjustable, that makes it a little bit easier to do. It's a keyless chuck, and that makes life much, much easier. My other tool is this bench vise, and I put a nail secured into the grips there, and we'll start with however many strands I'm going to use. In this case, I'm starting with 4 strands of the silk and tie a great big knot in the end. Then open up the Dremel with the keyless chuck and just kind of cram that big fat knot with your wicked sharp scissors down into the opening of the Dremel. Then tighten it back up really well. You don't want it popping out. And turn it on. And it only takes a couple of seconds, and you can hear the difference when it gets too tight. It'll slow down, and it's just something you learn to listen for. This is where the nice heavy-duty clamps come in handy. So I clamp the end of the cord and then bring it up around the nail. Release the clamp and then tie the ends together. You need to keep good tension on it the whole time to make sure that it doesn't end up in a big knot. And then you just kind of let it twist itself together. And then when you pull it off of the nail, you've got your little eye right there to thread your needle through, or however you're going to string it, and it's ready to go. I can ply cord that's incredibly fine. I can ply cord up to several feet long. You just have to have a big space to do it. I can do any kind of fiber that I want to do. It's really just it's great fun, and it really gives your jewelry a very unique look. So give it a try and let me know what you think.